are back with volume 35 of the Yamato build from Hachette Collections, Japan, that I sourced. It's a 1/35 scale, and ooh, we've got the battery box and a control thing and a couple cables. Looks like, well, this is one of those parts that you just kind of like, meh, you know. So apparently that's all we've got to do is just that. So not too much to look forward to, but it's necessary. Hopefully we'll be able to do some electrics pretty soon, and actually test them so that we can do something. So here we are talking about planet Stratabase. This is talking about Stratabase, and then we're talking about the here in Yamato for the turrets. It's the three main turrets and stuff, and how they worked. Kind of shows a little schematic of them there. And here is what it looks like underneath the. I think this was the third one here, if I remember correctly. And then this is talking about the Saratoga, hence the name Saratoga right there. So, and some more of its specs and stuff. And then I think this, if I recall, this is a I want to say this is episode 9, no, episode 5 in that actually of the build, the series and stuff. So that's what we got there, and it looks like in the next episode or the next volume we're getting another control thing to go in. Looks like it's going in the lower part of the hull, so let me get that up there just a little bit more so you can see that. So it's going in the lower part of the hull, but let's get to building. And here we are with volume 35. Oh, look what we've got. We've got the battery thing. So let's get this open and see what we've got exactly. So we've got 3 parts here. This is very reminiscent of the U-boat as far as it goes, with having the things to check out the guns, or the, well, I should say the Bismarck was kind of the same thing. It had this same deal where it was to push the buttons for testing, and that. So what we're going to do is, this ain't much to do in this stage. We're not testing anything, which sadly, you know, so we're gonna open this up. It doesn't tell us to put batteries in this box, but we're gonna get the batteries in this box first while we're at it, and have it all set up ready to go. So what do we need here? Oh, we go the right direction. Okay, we get that out. There we go. So we need 3 AA batteries, which I happen to have some of them right here. I'm always looking for batteries, seems like. It's very rare that sometimes I have it. It's like, oh, I need those kind. And I usually have the other kind. Never has the right kind. So use that. Put these in here. Isn't this exciting? This is so exciting. Batteries! Woohoo! Never knew batteries could be so exciting. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Yes, I'm not hiding it. Okay, I am hiding them. See, I'm putting them in this terrible cage here, and we're gonna close this up. And if you don't have a power thing, you can, and if you're doing some lights, you might be able to use that to take and test some lights. That would be 4.5 volts. So not quite 5 volts, not quite a USB port. So they're asking us to plug this in to this side. We want to make sure we put our our wires facing that way. Push that in, and then we're going to take this here, get this loosened up here. I'm assuming in the next couple issues maybe we might be doing some testing of some of the lights, or maybe the gun on the upper deck, or at least something that, so that we can see some of this in action. So we probably will end up using this cable, because I think in the other ones we end up using some of these cables for doing some of this down through the Bismarck, if I remember, and the U-boat. So we're going to plug that into there. Oops. Make sure the wires are the right direction. There we go. And there we go. That's it. That's all there is for volume 35. So it's a quick stage, and we'll see what goes on in the next stage. So for right now, that's all there is to it. Bye for now. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. And remember, mental note, like and subscribe to be updated to all my content. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you later.